Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Annisa, Aulia, Aziz. I'm from Mathematics Education of Muhammadiyah Professor Dr. University. In this video, I will explain about algebraic operations. So let's move to the video. Algebra operations. This is the table of contents in algebra operations. The first one is definition. The definition of algebra operation is any combination of a finite number of the operation of addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. The second contents is equation. An equation says the two things are equal. It will have an equal sign like this. X plus 2 equal 6. That equation says what is on the left, x plus 2, is equal to what is on the right, 6. So an equation is like a statement, this equals that. The third content is mathematics law. The first law is the commutative laws. The commutative laws say we can swap numbers over and still get the same answer. This is the formula when we addition with commutative laws. A plus B equals B plus A. This is the example. 4 plus 3 equals 3 plus 4. Or when we multiply A multiplied by B equal B multiplied by A. This is the example. B multiplied by 3 equals 3 multiplied by 4. The second law is associative laws. The associative laws say that it doesn't matter how we group the numbers. This is the formula when we add the numbers. Lots of A plus B plus C equals A plus lots of B plus C. The example is lots of 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 2 plus lots of 3 plus 4. Or when we multiply, this is the formula. Lots of A times B times C equals A times lots of B times C. Example, lots of 5 times 6 times 7 equals 5 times lots of 6 times 7. The third is distributive law. The distributive law is the best one of all, but needs careful attention. This is what it lets us do. 3 times lots of 2 plus 4 equals 3 times 2 plus 3 times 4. 3 lots of 2 plus 4 is the same as 3 lots of plus 3 lots 4. So that 3 times can be distributed across the 2 plus 4 into 3 times 2 and 3 times 4. And we write it like this. A times lots of B plus C equals A times B plus A times C. Try to calculation it yourself. 3 times lots of 2 plus 4 equals 3 times 6 equals 18. 3 times 2 plus 3 times 4 equals 6 plus 12 equals 18. Either way gets the same answer. We get the same answer when we multiply a number by a group of numbers added together or do each multiply separately then add them. The fourth content is algebraic operation. First is addition and subtraction. We can only add or subtract like terms. Why? Think of it like this. Why, on a table we have 4 pencils and 2 books. We can add the 4 pencils to the 2 books. They are not the same kind of object. We go get another 3 pencils and 6 books. Altogether, we now have 7 pencils and 8 books. We can combine these quantities since there are different types of objects. Next, our sister comes in and grabs 5 pencils. We are left with 2 pencils and we still have these 8 books. Similar with algebra, we can only add or subtract similar objects or those with the same letter raised to the same power. This is the example. 13x plus 7y minus 2x plus 6a. The only like terms in this expression are 13x and minus 2x. We can't do anything with 7y or 6a. So we group together the terms we can subtract and just leave the rest. 13x minus 2x plus 6a plus 7y equals 6a plus 11x plus 7y. We usually present our variables in alphabetical order, but it's not essential. The second is multiplication. When we multiply algebraic expression, we need to remember the index laws from the laws chapter. Let's see how algebra multiplication works with a series of examples. This is the formula. X lots of a plus b equals a times x plus b times x. Example, multiply x cubed lots of x to the power of 4 plus 5a. We expand this out using the distributive law. X cubed times x to the power of 4 times plus 5a equals x to the power of 7 plus 5a x cubed. We can simplify this answer any further. The third is division. Our first examples of division of algebraic expressions involve simplifying and cancelling. This is the example. Simplify 3ab lots of 4a square times b to the power of 5 divided by a square times b cubed. The answer is, first, we multiply out the top of line. The answer is 12a cubed times b to the power of 6 divided by 8a squared times b cubed. When we write it out in full, this means 12 times a times b divided by a times a times b. Next, cancel the numbers top and bottom. We divide top and bottom by 4. The a terms we cancel a square equals a from top and bottom, and the b terms we cancel b cubed equals b from top and bottom to give us the final answer, and the final answer is 3ab cubed divided by 2. This is the conclusion. Algebraic operation is any combination of a finite number of the operations of addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. There are three laws of mathematics, that is commutative laws, associative laws, and distributive laws. In addition and subtraction topic, we can only subtract or add like terms. When we multiply algebraic operations, we must remember mathematical laws, and division of algebraic operation is involves simplifying and cancelling. So guys, that's all I can explain about algebraic operation. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and share this video to your friend or your family. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.